So what we're making today?
Okay, so right now we're gonna make some shrimp Alfredo pasta, and as you can see, I have my saute pan getting hot on the stove. So the first step.
All right, wait, before you do the first step, I wanted to introduce yourself.
So this is Chef David at Begona Cliff Hotel on the West End in Negril, and today I'm gonna be making some shrimp Alfredo pasta.
Okay, wait, but I tasted your brown stew chicken this morning, and I even called my mother and tell her about it. That's how good it is.
Okay.
And you're not going to order some for going back home. So you're like, what's your credential? What's your background?
Okay, so I've been cooking from I was a kid. I started cooking very early. My dad owned a restaurant, and I did it in school also.
Okay.
And then I matriculated into the hotel industry, and honed my craft, as they would say.
Okay.
And gained my experience. Went abroad, did some cooking abroad too,
Okay.
and just move up the ranks. And here I'm at.
Okay, but you're being a bit humble because Jody at the front desk told me that you used to work at Norwegian on the Norwegian cruise.
Yes.
Okay.
That is one of my stops also.
Okay.
Among other properties overseas and local as well. Today, like I said, we're gonna do some shrimp Alfredo pasta, and we hope to tantalize your taste buds with it.
Right, I can't wait for sure.
Okay. So my skillet is very hot right now. Let me gauge this down a bit because we don't want anything burning. And right here we have some EVO, some extra virgin olive oil. Yeah. Right here, I got me some chopped onion and chopped garlic. All right. So we're gonna saute these after. Get them succulent, as they would say. Right. And then next step, we're gonna add our shrimp that was lightly seasoned already with some salt and pepper. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, get some fire action going. Yeah.
If I ever do that, the plate's gone.
So we add a little,
Okay.
when we flame like that, we add a little flavor to the food as well. Alright?
Okay.
Yeah, man.
If you're ever to be in a kitchen doing that, just know you have to exit, alright?
So we just gotta saute our shrimp for maybe like a minute and a half, 2 minutes, just to get them nice and juice, crispy on the outside but juicy on the inside. And then our next step, obviously, we have, because we don't want that taste to be too pronounced in it.
Alright, so we added white wine and we did a little flip, and then we're adding what now?
Now we're gonna add our cream sauce. This is our homemade cream sauce.
Okay. Secret recipe?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. We made from scratch,
Yeah.
And it depends on your preference. If you have heavy cream, you could use your heavy cream straight, but I like to make my cream sauce straight from scratch
Okay.
because I get a better flavor that way. And this is our pasta that we had already pre-cooked too.
Alright. So
Right,
it was
so
already cooked.
Already cooked.
Okay.
Al dente, meaning not too soft. Have a little crunch inside.
Oh, perfect.
Right.
I'm so happy you explained that to me because I was like,
Okay, so the term al dente when you're cooking pasta means that your pasta is not too mushy, it's not too soft. It has a little, when you bite into the pasta, it has a little crunch inside. It should have a little crunch inside. Alright.
master right here.
So this is our shrimp Alfredo, nice and creamy. And it depends on your preference. The consistency, as you can see, this one, it's nice and it's not too thick, not too runny, just in between. Alright?
You see the way you know you're a good chef is that I feel like I could make this myself.
Depending on your taste buds, you add a little crushed pepper, just to add a little, a little kick, give it a little kick. Right. And here we have a little basil also. Right. Okay, so we're done right now.
What?
Yeah.
Okay,
Awesome.
so time for
time for
plating.
plating now.
All right. I don't want to spoil. Oh, you already prepared that?
Yeah, so nice and creamy.
Yeah.
All the good juice running down there.
Sounds
Enjoy
good.
this.
Yeah, I can't
All
wait.
right, and your shrimp right there.
I've been looking forward to this.
Shrimp pasta.
Oh, wow.
Do enjoy. Bon appetit.
All right. Thanks, Chef David.
Welcome.